Today we are taking a deep dive into the Qi Gong practice of the Ba Duan Jin. You had questions and I am trying to answer them in this video. So let's get right to it. Question number 1. How often should you practice Qi Gong? The short answer is daily. To get healthy and stay healthy, you should spend at least 5 to 10 minutes every day on your Qi Gong routine for lasting results. Of course, you have to start somewhere, and I would recommend to start practicing only the first section and do that daily until you are confident that you are doing it right. Then you move on to practicing the next section, and so on, until you are confident enough to do the entire 8 brocades. Ba Duan Jin is easy to practice. You don't have to turn yourself into a human pretzel like with some yoga postures, and you will start feeling the benefits within the first week. So let's check out the first 4 movements, their application, and the benefits of each section.
Raise your hands to the heavens. Draw your bow and shoot the arrow. Separate heaven and earth. Wise owl gazing left and right.
We are back and ready to answer some more questions. I am joined by my teacher, Shan Wang, the old man of the mountain. How are you? I understand you just celebrated your 75th birthday.
Good morning. I am doing well. And thank you, yes, 75 years old. And still learning. So let's look at the question. How many repetitions of each of the 8 brocades should you do? The answer to this question is not as straightforward as you may expect. When you are just starting to practice, 4 repetitions of each move are quite sufficient. But in the beginning, don't try to practice all 8 brocades at once. Start with just the first one and try to learn it as perfectly as possible. Then the next day move on to number 2, and so on, until you know the whole Ba Duan Jin well. After you have practiced the complete 8 brocades and know it well enough, you will do every move 4 times. Later on, if you want to maximize the benefits of your practice, or even just of a particular move, you can step up to 8 repetitions for each move. But there is one exception, and that is the spine stretch. You should not do more than 4 repetitions, as that can be quite hard on your back, especially if you have back problems. So, let's have a look at the spine stretch and the final 4 brocades together.
Turn from side to side. The Taoist spine stretch. Clench your fist and gaze fiercely. Raise your heels.
Thanks, Sifu, for helping us out today, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the complete Ba Duan Jin exercise to follow along. or learn about the difference between Tai Chi and Qigong in these two videos.